Hey, what's going on, people? This is Brandon with Brandon Reviews, hitting you with another review for the month of November. As you all know, I'm behind, of course, but it is what it is. So right now we're gonna go ahead and get into this November Thread Beast box. Let's see what we got here. And before I get into this, I just want to let you all know that it really helps out the channel if you guys go ahead and subscribe so that you all know whenever I post a new video. Also, please like the video and share with anybody that you feel would be interested in this. Thread Beast is a pretty cool subscription service for all you ladies that might come across this video. It's something for your significant other. You know, if you don't want to pick out clothes for them, and you know for a fact that they're not good at picking out clothes for themselves, this is pretty much a sure bet. If they're into urban clothing, I would definitely recommend this service. They have multiple levels that you can subscribe to. It just depends on your budget. So just take a look, follow the link that's in the description, and hey, if you have any other questions, just leave a comment in the comment section. All right, so let's see what we got going on here in this November box. All righty. All right, it's been making a comeback. I got a black and red Fila shirt. All right, this is probably about a good, give it 25 bucks. All right, so that's a short sleeve. Another short sleeve. Luckily, I live in California, so this is Familia Forever. From the ashes we grow. All right, so this actually seems like a pretty big shirt, but we'll see how it actually fits once I try it on. It looks cool. I'll rock it. You guys know what I was just saying in the last video about Crisp. I do not support this brand. The scale that they have on the sizes, I would probably definitely say that it's 2 sizes too small. But I would never in a million years buy this brand. I don't know why. I don't know why Thread Beast is no longer dealing with PSD. I know at the beginning stages of my videos that I maybe complained a little bit about PSD, and I regret complaining about PSD because at this point I feel like PSD is legit. I'm wearing a pair right now. I love all the ones that I have. Hoping that this was even similar to PSD, I was excited, but then the first time that I put it on, I was not happy. I was not happy at all. It doesn't fit well, it's not comfortable. The sizing chart is extremely off. So it is what it is. Let's move on to the next item. All right, looks like I have a hoodie, Jack and Jones denim. I mean, you know, never heard of it, but hey, I'll give it a try, give it a shot, see what's up. And last but not least, you know, they've been coming hard with the Hilfiger lately. So I got a Hilfiger long sleeve shirt. You know, I'll rock it. It is what it is. So, you know, this is what we got going on so far. You know, stick around for a few minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and try these pieces on, and then, hey, you can decide for yourself if this is a service that you'd be interested in, if this is a service for someone that you care about. I mean, I like Thread Beast, but I'm definitely at a point where I have more clothes than I need, but it is what it is. And for those items that actually don't fit me, you all might want to check out the store that I have on Poshmark, and some of the items that didn't fit me well or I just didn't like, since I can't necessarily just send them back to Thread Beast, it's something that, you know, you all can try to buy from me if you guys are interested. You can check out the link in the description. Again, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and catch you back in just a moment. If you've been curious about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or other stocks and cryptocurrencies, you've got to jump on it right now. I use Robinhood for most of my stock and crypto transactions, then Crypto.com for all of my other crypto needs. I've made thousands of dollars just by investing a few $100s. You can do the same today. Just follow the links in the description and watch your money grow. You won't regret it. All right, so we're here with November's box. And this is the long sleeve Tommy Hilfiger shirt. I mean, it looks good. I mean, it's pretty simple, fits good. I can't complain. Look, all I could say is it's an established brand. They got their sizes down. I mean, hey, it looks good. Can't complain. Okay, so this part is gonna be pretty quick. This Fila shirt is extremely uncomfortable. I would think that they would know better, unless it's supposed to be a show your nipples type of shirt. I don't know, but I ain't into showing my nipples, so that's not my game. So, you know, I would never wear this shirt ever again. Let's move on. All right, so this shirt actually feels great. You know, I definitely am liking it. I definitely will be rocking this once it warms up a little bit, or even if I have an opportunity just to wear a jacket and rock the t-shirt on underneath. Yeah, I'm happy. Yeah, this is good. I really wanted to like this hoodie, but it fits extremely small. I don't know what to say. Like, I mean, it's at a point where I could wear it, but it's a little tighter than I would prefer. I don't need a baggy, it's not the 90s or the early 2000s. I don't need a baggy sweatshirt. I don't need a baggy t-shirt. I just want one that fits. That's it. I don't want it hugging my body. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just not into that. So, not quite sure. This is like a 50-50. I'm on the fence about it. But I say out of all the pieces in this box, yeah, it's a 50-50 type thing because it was only 4 pieces. So yeah, I don't know if this box is a winner. Kind of right here in the middle. I don't know. So, but it is what it is. I mean, I have more successes than losses. Like I said, if you all are interested in Thread Beast, check out the link in the description. If you are interested in the items that I'm willing to sell, check out the Poshmark link. Or whatever links that I might have in the description. And hit me up if you have any questions, but subscribe to the channel. Let's grow. We'll holler at you on the next one. For all of my digital and creative assets, I use Envato Elements to find stock photos, music tracks, web templates, graphic and video templates for all of my various projects. Check it out and take your creativity to the next level. And depending on the project, when I need high quality music tracks for video and audio clients, I always turn to Soundstripe. They have over 100,000 music, video, and special effects tracks to choose from that will take your creative projects to the next level. Sign up today and I promise you'll thank me later. The link will be in the description for both.